Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Learning Language with Mr. Morgan. And today's topic is adjectives. I love adjectives. Adjectives are a word that describe a noun or a pronoun, such as a person, place, thing, or idea. So adjectives are just fun, descriptive words. So it tells us the color, the size, the shape, the taste, the odor, the texture, the sound, the number, weather, any of that stuff. And I'm going to move myself up just a little bit so you can see our example. A pleasant purr came from the furry black kitten. Look at this sweet furry black kitten. You could say it's a cute black kitten. I love the use. It's a fluffy black kitten, like a fluffy pillow. It's a tiny black kitten. So the color would be black. The size is little or short or tiny. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Okay? That's the important thing to remember about adjectives. And we use adjectives a lot just in our everyday language. We say things like, oh, you know Sean, he's the guy in the red hat. Or, you know Tamra, Tamra's the one in the denim skirt. You know, it tells us what kind of skirt. It's a denim skirt. It's the texture of the skirt. So we use adjectives every day. So adjectives are very, very common to us. True story. So let's move on to, I'm going to move myself again. So look at this fun little word list right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blanks. And look at all these. Look at all these. There's 12 words. So a blank squirrel jumped on the branch. Let's look at these words. What kind of word, what kind of adjective can we use to describe the squirrel? I like playful. How about a playful squirrel jumped on the branch? That's the best thing about adjectives, is there are so many adjectives and so many ways that we can describe one thing. Right? Number 2. We went to a blank movie after school. So maybe we went to a hilarious movie after school. Or maybe we went to a scary movie after school. All of these are good answers. You know, some of you might say, we went to a lame movie after school. All right. In the morning, the blank snow was covering the ground. Now, this one is a little tricky for us Alabamians because we don't often see a lot of snow. So let's think, how do we think snow looks? We've seen pictures of snow. So maybe it's stunning. In the morning, the stunning snow was covering the ground, or the glittering snow was covering the ground, or the peaceful snow was covering the ground, or the heavy snow was covering the ground, or even bright snow, just pure, just ice. Icy snow was covering the ground. Icy is also another great adjective. Icy. All right, how about number 4? I found some blank tomatoes. I found some huge tomatoes. I found some juicy tomatoes. Let's look at the words on this list. See, I'm just pulling out adjectives everywhere. I'm not even looking at the list. I'm just pulling out adjectives. You can just say something is probably an adjective. I found some heavy tomatoes or some plump tomatoes. Plump is a good word for tomatoes. Plump means juicy. It means big. Number 5. We saw blank birds on the blank forest path. Ooh. We saw what kind of birds? Peaceful birds on or we saw some playful birds, a peaceful forest path, or we saw some stunning birds on the peaceful forest path, or we saw some loud birds on the dirty forest path. Lots of stuff. I guess number 5 depends on if you like to go hiking or not. I love to go hiking, so I'm gonna say that we saw stunning birds on the peaceful forest path. That's what I'm gonna say. So number 6, my friend sat near the blank fire and told blank stories. All right, I love scary stories. So we're going to say my friends sat near the blazing fire and told scary stories. But maybe you don't like scary stories, so you told hilarious stories next to the fading fire. Once again, use third bank, but also know that you can, adjectives are anywhere and everywhere. An adjective is just a descriptive word. It's super fun. Adjectives are anywhere and everywhere. Anywhere and everywhere. Alright, so you try. So I added, let me move because I'm covering the tree. I went old school with some clip art for you guys because I didn't hinder, I didn't want to hinder your imagination. So, what kind of building? You try. I'm curious as to what you guys think on some of these. So you have what kind of building? You could say a tall building, a steel building, a skinny building, any of those. And what kind of clothes? Bright clothes, shaggy clothes, rad clothes, cool clothes. What kind of clothes? What kind of clothes? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know the cool clothes. I'm an old guy. I count on you guys to tell me about all the cool clothes. And what kind of boat? Is it a small boat? Is it a big boat? Is it a bright boat? Is it a little boat? What kind of boat? Describe a boat. What do you think of when you hear boat? Do you think boats are big? Do you think boats are small? Or maybe it's an inflatable boat. The boats that you like, the little raft things that you can get at the beach. Maybe it's an inflatable boat, which is more like a raft. But I would take it. I would take it. And what kind of trees? Tall trees, short trees, fat trees, pine trees, sticky trees, like sap trees and maple trees. Oh, they're just sticky. Just sticky. So what kind of trees? What do you think of when you see trees? There are no limits. Just whatever adjective just pops into your mind. And then the ocean. Is the ocean peaceful? Is it loud? Is it big? Is it crashing waves? What do you think about when you think ocean? Some people are scared of the ocean. So the scary ocean, the dark ocean, the blue ocean, the green ocean. You know, it just depends on how you feel about the ocean. How would you describe the ocean to someone? Yeah, I'm going to the beach and I feel this way because I think of the blank ocean, the shiny ocean. I love the beach. So I'm like, ooh, the shiny ocean. And then the moon. What do you think of the moon? The big moon, the bright moon, the shiny moon. What do you think? Possibilities are endless. White moon, the blue moon. What do you think? All right. Here is something fun that I want you to look at. All right. So, I want you to choose some adjectives that you think describe a hero. Here are just some example words. You don't have to use these words. These are just ideas to sort of help you. One of these words is not an adjective to describe a hero. One of them is. One of the words is not like the other. Okay? But just for a fun little assignment, I want you to write a few sentences using your new superhero vocabulary adjectives to describe a hero that you create. It can be a real life hero. It could be, a firefighter, a policeman, a doctor, a nurse, or it could be someone like Superman or Batman, or make a superhero up from Fortnite. However you'd like. But write a few sentences using your new superhero vocabulary to describe the hero that you created, and then just a little something extra in case it's a rainy day. You can draw a picture. I'm pretty sure you can draw a picture to go with your sentences. I just want you guys to know that adjectives are something that we use every day. They're descriptive words that you should be very, very comfortable with. Adjectives are something that you use every single day. Okay? You even use it when you talk about snacks. Mom, can you hand me the blue chips? Like the blue bag of chips. It's a thing. Or can I have the orange drink? Or the red drink. Or whatever. So, as always, this is your friendly reminder to stay safe, wash your hands, wear your mask, and I'll see you next time. Good job, everyone.